Warning. I know the slow, calm, rhythmic sound of my voice may make you feel at first like you want to reach out and slug me, which is normal. But stick with your breathing and continue on, and eventually you'll see that feeling will change to where you want to reach out and hug me. Let's begin. Welcome to this 10-minute Midday Reset Meditation, a guided meditation to refresh and rebalance your energy. This is your moment to pause, reset, and reconnect. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, take this time for yourself. Find a comfortable position, seated or standing, and gently close your eyes if you can. If not, simply soften your gaze. Let's take a deep breath together and begin. Deep breathing and releasing tension. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, releasing any tension. Let's do that again. Take another slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, releasing any tension. Again, breathe in deeply. This time, let it expand in your chest and hold it for 7 seconds. As you exhale, let go of any and all stress. One more time, inhale deeply, and this time, as you exhale, release any tightness in your shoulders, your jaw, or your hands. Let your breath find a natural rhythm. Feel the air moving in and flowing out. You are here. You are present. Nothing else matters in this moment. Body awareness and mental clarity. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you're holding tension. Perhaps in your forehead, your shoulders, your stomach. Without judgment, simply observe it. With each breath, allow yourself to soften and release. Now shift your focus to your mind. If your thoughts are racing, simply acknowledge them and let them drift like clouds in the sky. You don't need to hold on to them. Just breathe and let go. Imagine a clear blue sky above you. With each breath, your mind becomes lighter, calmer, more open. positive energy, and reset intentions. Now let's reset your energy for the rest of the day. Repeat silently to yourself or simply listen. I am calm. I am centered. I am in control. I welcome clarity and ease into my day. I let go of stress and invite peace. Feel these words grounding you. Whatever has happened earlier today is in the past. The rest of the day is yours to shape, with a renewed sense of balance and focus. Closing and gentle awakening. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders and take a final deep breath in, holding it again for 7 seconds. And exhale fully. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and recharged. Carry this calm energy with you as you continue on your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Be well. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved.